Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to block a website on Mac. So sometimes you don't want to restrict all web browsing, you only want to prevent access to one of few specific websites. So instead of installing third-party software, your Mac lets you do this directly through screen time. By adding a website to never allow list, that website will always be blocked in Safari. It is not considered as an adult website. This is useful for blocking distracting websites, inappropriate website, or any website you don't want to access on your Mac. So to do so, first click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll a bit and go to Screen Time. Here click on Content and Privacy. Now make sure to enable the toggle right to content and privacy, and after that go to App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now here click on the drop down menu and then make sure to choose limit adult websites. After that click on customize button and here in restricted section click on this plus icon. Now enter the website address you want to block and then click on done to save the changes. Again click on done and the website will now added to never allow and won't open in Safari unless you remove it from the block website list later. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.